My GE dishwasher model GDT695SSJ0SS won't start the cycle. It just stays on the orange light even if I change the setting on the cycle. What could cause this?
Are there any error codes or blinking lights on your GE dishwasher? How old is it?
There are no blinking lights or error codes. I believe it is a 2016 model. It came with the house when we bought it.
How long has this been going on with your GE dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
2 days. Other than playing with the controls to try another cycle, that is it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I would be happy to help you.
What do you suggest?
Hello. Have you put the unit in service mode to check for fault codes?
I have not. How do you place it is service mode?
Copy and paste this link. This is the service manual. https://www.manualslib.com/manual/1588071/GEDDT595SXJ0series.html. Page equals 44 #manual.
I will try it when I get home and let you know.
Okay, thanks. With my experience, either the latch sensor or control board is faulty. Keep me posted, please.
It looks like it's the door latch sensor.
Okay, thanks. You will need to order and replace this part number WD21 by 10490. Copy and paste this link. It will look different, but it comes apart the same way. https://u2.b/gvgpxv6pcp4. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. You may have to go to the app or JustAnswer.com.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.